Hello Internet and welcome on the VIM Testar channel. Today, as usually, I will show you some cool stuff you can do with VIM. It is inspired by today's situation when I need to count the number of bytes and this information I had in a log file. I don't have this log file right now, but I can generate some data that we will pretend that it's like this log file. So double exclamation mark, it's for the filter or for execute external command. So in this case it will be content of my user bin directory. We have it, and let's say we want to sum all these bytes. So first we need to create a search pattern that will allow us to find easier the number of bytes, because also you have here date and some other data that can be taken wrongly as size. So as we see here, we have the root, some spaces and number. So this will be our pattern. Slash to start searching, root, then we have some white spaces and then digit, and this pattern works well. Let's see if we have some rows that don't meet this pattern. So G exclamation mark to see what don't match the pattern, and we have 2 lines, so let's delete it. G exclamation mark delete. Okay, now all lines met this pattern, and this macro will use this search pattern, and also we need a place to store the sum of the bytes. So let's create a variable. Let's sum equal to 0. We start with the sum equal to 0, and now the macro itself. So we store it in register Q, so Q, you see on the left bottom recording. So now let's press N. Okay, this is first occurrence of the pattern, but we want the number, so W. Now young word to have this number inside the register, and now colon, and our new sum, let's sum equal to, and now Control R and equal to get into the to the register for compute, and here we press sum plus Control R 0. So to confirm, I press enter. We go to our previous definition of the variable. Let's sum equal to 8. I press once more enter, and we have it. So I press Q to stop recording macro, and now with the add Q I run this macro one time. You see that sum now is equal to 103 because it sums 95 and 8. I run it again and the sum is 198. So this seems to work. Now let's see how many rows I have. So more than 3000. I execute this macro 3500 times. Oops, I forget that I have switched on wrap option for searching. So let's go to the beginning of the file. The option to wrap the searchings names wrap scan. So set wrap scan exclamation mark will switch it off. Now our sum is messed, so let sum equal to 0 again, and I will make the replay of the macro that is stored in the Q register, and again 3500 times. And now as you see, at last element it stops. So this way we sum all the bytes you see on this screen. So to insert this value we can press Ctrl R equal and then write the name of the variable, and this is our result. Also we can make something like colon let sum, and if we don't set it, we have a preview of the number we have for the sum. So I hope you like it. If yes, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.